Hi guys, I know these aren't my normal eyes. So this morning I woke up with super swollen eyes. All of a sudden my eyes and my eyebrows started itching so bad, and I didn't even have makeup on last night. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I touched my cat and then I touched my eyes. I swear. Or maybe my bangs, there was some product in my bangs that bothered my eyebrows or my lid. I don't know what was the problem, or something I ate, even though I didn't eat anything different except for, and I freaked out at first, to be honest. I woke up this morning, the swollen was even worse than it was last night. Even though I got my allergy pills that I already get every day for tiramisu, so I'm like, this doesn't make sense. No idea what it could be, but hopefully it will go away soon. It's getting better. Since I wake up this morning, I can see a difference already. But instead of crying, since I cannot film what I was supposed to film today, I embrace it, as I usually do every time that something weird happening to my life that kind of like cancel my plans. Instead of crying, I decided to make a video about it. Why not? I know I look weird, my eyes like super puffy, they're not the usual eyes that you are used to see. So when life gives you lemons, what you gonna do? You're gonna make a lemonade. If you're interested, just keep on watching my remedies for swollen eyes due to allergies.
Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
I've been waiting 2 hours because I wanted to see if actually all the natural remedies that I tried this morning worked, and it looks pretty fine. It's not completely healed. My eyes are still kind of swollen. It's not like 100%, you know, as they normally are, but I can totally see an improvement. Still don't know what caused this, but it was definitely an allergic reaction. I'm really happy that it's getting better, because otherwise I would have freaked out. But this morning I woke up and I actually almost freaked out, but then I remember and I was like, hold on a second, maybe we can make a video about it. Because remember guys, everything happens for a reason. So every time that something happens to you, even if it's unpleasant, remember that there's a reason why this is happening. Either you need to learn a lesson, but just know that it's always because that thing needs to happen for your evolution and for your life experience. So try to see the bright side every time that something is happening to you. For example, today I plan to film something completely different. I wanted to make 2 videos, but that's not gonna happen because I cannot apply makeup on my eyes today, and probably I won't do it not even tomorrow, because the skin this morning was like horrible. Like now it's getting a lot better, but it was kind of like burned. I decided not to wear anything today and make this video for you completely makeup free. All I have is some lotion just to hydrate my skin. I know that lotion is not bad for me, so I just go all around my eyes. Didn't put anything on my eyes, not even my eye cream today, because I really want to keep my skin super clean. I've been drinking a lot of water and it's getting better. I feel like it's really awesome that this happened, so that I can share with you like the way I most of the time try to embrace everything that happens to me. It might be something like this, or something worse, or something less than this, but anyway, the way you react to life is what makes your life. I hope this was helpful for you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, as usual, comment down below and I will answer, not only here but also on my Instagram. I read every single DM that I get. I have notification on, so even if you are not my friend and I don't follow you, I always go to see the other section, the other messages section, and I see every single message that I receive. I love to spend time talking with you guys. I love to interact. That's why I'm here. I'm not here to be like superior, better, or be like I'm too busy for it. That will never happen. So yes, if you have any question, go on Instagram or comment down below, and I will see you next time with another video. Ciao.